Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Doubletree by Hilton Hotel in downtown Houston, Texas. These are Otis Series 2. These were obviously modernized, and you'll see why. Oh! It's that one right there, my mistake. I thought it was the middle car. See? It's an Otis. Just gone to 1. It's your classic Otis leveling. Let's go to 20. These are fast. These travel like about 600, 700 feet per minute. Here we are at 20. Classic leveling. And now we'll end the video on the second floor. Door close button does not work. It's a nice elevator. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. These are your fixtures, they're Otis Series 2 fixtures. This time watch the button go out. Here we are. 2. Going up?
Nope.
Alright. You're welcome. Here it goes. And that's it.